Welcome back to the Introducing Flamenco series. In this final episode of this course, we will be discussing Bulerías. Vamos allá! Bulerías is currently one of the most popular palos in flamenco. The word bulería comes from the Spanish word bular, which means to joke or to mock something. And the reason why it's called this is because while bulería is more of a serious palo, it is kind of a satirical style where the lyrics, while talking about serious events, tend to be more comedic and humorous. It is another 12-beat style, similar to Solera and Bulerías, but the groove is different because what makes Buleria so different is that we actually start the Compas on beat 12, unlike Solera and Bulerías, which we've done previously, that starts on beat 1. So it does take some getting used to, but we're going to go very slow from the beginning on how to understand this palo. So let's get started. Keep in mind that I do have a Cejilla on the 3rd fret of my guitar today, and for the purpose of this introductory Buleria, we're just going to hold one chord. We're just going to do an A major chord today. And let's talk about holding this the flamenco way one more time. We have done this chord before, but just a refresher. In flamenco, we hold this with 2 fingers usually. So the middle finger is going to hold the 2nd fret of the B string, so you get this note. And then your pointer finger is going to hold both the 2nd fret of D and G together, almost like a mini bar chord for these notes, and the whole chord will sound like this. So we're going to use this chord within a very basic Buleria compás. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to do an índice rasgado on the accents of Buleria. So similar to Solera, we have the same accents of 12, 3, 6, 8, and 10. However, remember I mentioned that unlike Solera, we're going to start on beat 12 instead of beat 1. So what do I mean by that? Well, if we're doing Buleria, then it would really be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what we're going to do first. And it does take some getting used to because it sounds like an entirely different groove. Even though the compás is actually the same as Solera, just because we're starting on a new beat, it sounds like it's an entirely different rhythm, an entirely different groove. But the reality is that it's basically the same thing. So we're going to hold that A chord, and we're just going to do an índice down on each accent. So if we do that slow, we have 5 accents. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is the first compás to learn in Buleria. When practicing this material, I highly recommend saying the compás out loud to yourself, kind of like how I teach it to you, because this will help the compás stick a little bit better until you start to memorize it to the point where you won't have to count as much. But counting is still very important. So let's do it a couple more times on that A major chord. And for now, we're just doing índice rasgado down on each accent, 12, 3, 6, 8, and 10. So here we go. Let's go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we can try going a little bit faster, and keep in mind that Buleria is usually the fastest palo that we play in flamenco. Usually on a metronome we were going over 200 beats a minute. So we're going to try this basic compas going a little bit faster. So again, just indiferasciado on our accents, but let's go a little bit faster here. So that would sound like this. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we are playing a more typical speed por Buleria. Let's add one more compas to make our Buleria a little more interesting. In this version, we're going to add the flat 9 note to our A major chord, which is the 3rd fret on the G string for this note. Now we have a chord that sounds like this. And we're going to switch back and forth between A major and A flat 9 every other accent. So what that would sound like in context would be this. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm switching chords every other accent. So what we're going to do, we're going to start on regular A major on beat 12. So we have 12, 1, 2. On beat 3, we're going to add the flat 9. So far we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On beat 6, we're going to remove the flat 9 to go back to a regular A major for 6 and 7. Beat 8, we're going to add the flat 9 one more time. And then 10, beat 10, we remove it, go back to regular A major. And we're going to stay on A until we go back to beat 12. So that's where most of my beginner students have trouble with this compas, is that for beats 10, 11, 12, we stay on A major. Every other accent, we are switching the chord. So in context, the whole thing would sound like this. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's do that a couple times really slow to get used to this. Starting on A major. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, stay on A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is a more interesting compas that we can add. So now the goal here is to combine both of these compases to get a more interesting Buleria. So that would sound like this. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the more you practice this, the more you will start to feel this new type of compas of starting on beat 12, unlike every other thing we've done before that starts on beat 1 like most music actually does. So get used to this first before continuing on with any of the more advanced right hand patterns. However, in this video I will demonstrate what this would sound like with a right hand Buleria pattern using both of the compases that we've worked on. So that would sound like this. So that'd be 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. So then that would be a more advanced style of playing Buleria. But do the simple version first, get used to the accent placements, get used to starting on beat 12, and then from there you can start adding some interest to your compas. And that's all I'll give you for today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the Introducing Flamenco series. Let me know down below in the comments section what you would like to see in a future series, whether it's more advanced compas, different breakdowns of these palos we've done before, maybe a little more variation or falsettas that you would like to see, let me know down below. And be sure to like and subscribe as well, and donate to help support the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Muchas gracias y hasta luego.